Hello guys, welcome to my channels. What's up? It's my humble request to subscribe my channels and for my new informative videos, please press bell icons. So let's start. What is today topics? My today topic is how to earn money without any investment online. So guys, I'm telling you 10 top ways how you can earn money without any investment online. You know we are facing critical phase days. That is internet age, and it's never has been easy to make money. So guys, the first step to earn money is online survey. Everyone now online survey is a very easy way to earn money online without any investment. You can make more money on your spare times. There are many survey sites but our favorite site are Swagbucks. Definitely favorite. It's free to join and you can earn money $10 after you join. So guys, there are few steps. First step is that registers. After registration, you can on your platform they match you with survey to. And the second step is earn rewards points. You complete survey, online shopping, watching video, and many much more. You can earn 40 to 200 points per survey. In fact, 100 points on this site earn you $1. So friends, the third step is that get rewarded. There are options to exchange your points for a gift card or a PayPal cash. Other survey sites are there. You can try Survey Junkie, and there are $45 per survey. So guys, the second is Vandelay Researcher. Pays $1 for signing up. So guys, download games. If you want maximum earning, you can earn $20. Your physical products, there's you review ranging books to small gadgets, appliance. So guys, we are telling you. And next step is that the second step is be a freelance designer. It is an excellent option for skilled person. If you are good designer, you can earn extra money. So whatever you do, graphic, web blogs, or book covers. So there are 99 designers here to sign up and start finding clients. You can find clients and earn much more money. So by projects, expect payments within 3 days. So guys, friends, it is so easy. So the third is review write. If you can write review, you can earn money. So by providing honest feedbacks, software judges are sign up and view various software products after studying. Test software products providing accurate review get paid doing so $50 for amazing reviews. So paid through Western Union. So it is easy, very easy earning point by watching videos, news, sports, and entertainments. You can earn $10 for new user who sign up. So just while doing you are working on your home on your spare times, book reading, newspaper reading, doing work at home, not make rich but at least coffee and we can. The fourth step is to earn money is test websites. Friends, it is so important and easy way to earn money. It's play critical role on our lives. So it is easy way to earn money on your homes. Many business pay money to websites. As you know, this is our internet age. who provide value feedbacks. So there are few steps to start to earn. The number one is user testing. Number two is respondents. Number three is user brain. And fourth is testing times. Test websites helping businessmen to examine layout, informations, and loading the structures. So guys, the fifth way is to earn money is a freelance writer. This is the best way to earn money without any investments on any easy methods. You can earn on your home, on your spare times. Content marketing, every growing field. You know, this is the internet age, and many companies hiring freelance writers no more than hours. So friends, you have online portfolio of your work that is compulsory, and decide freelance writings. So reach out the top players in your layers. You can specialize following top niches. So number one, speech writings. Number two, small business writings. And number three, video script writings. And number four is email marketing writing. And number fifth is course writing for small business. It is important to provide original contacts, not fake contents. So friends, on time you keep in your mind you should have a one laptop, one comfortable chairs, and a Skype desk, because many clients want to talk face to face on your contacts. Viewers, you need to set up Facebook page or a blogs. It will help to reach many audience that you normally can't reach on your own. So also join Facebook groups on Facebook, Twitters, and contact with other writers and business contacts. So it is compulsory for growing your business. The 10 steps you start freelance groups working all times. So guys, you should need a job, freelancers writing job, both blogging, and the sixth point is that how to earn money is start an e-commerce stores. It is not complicated guys, as you know. The best time to join internet business, because e-commerce increasing day by day nowadays. So set up e-commerce websites with Shopee. You can earn $9 per month. It is easy to list our products or service. Shopee handles marketing, collecting payments, assisting with Shopees. So guys, all time you can need your skills and your business easily. So you can earn $100 per month, just couple of hours per day. A site where you can make money to translate and read down documents. Documents are the pros.com. So guys, note it. Translation different languages such as Chinese, Spanish, Italian, German, and Arabic. Just sign up and list your service. It is so easy to money. The seventh point is that offer translation service. If you want to learn and love and earn money, translation service are here. Whether it's magazines, books, blog, TV shows, and even courtrooms. Start building our clients base. Sign up our sites like Unbabel. So guys, the next 8 point is that start YouTube channels. You can now, it is so easy nowadays, comfortable. If you don't shy, if you have a confidence on facing camera, you can earn good money by increasing your subscriber view times and your reviewing products, posting advertising and quality video. If you have a skill editing or it is so easy. So the second class is via transcribing. Guys, you can earn $20 per minute by transcribing and video online. You need handset, internet connects, just sign up for service and you want professional transcribers. You need fast and effective typing skill. The last is that create a self course. Guys, do you love to teach other? And they may enjoy creating and selling a course. So use tool Teachable to develop your course, and it's Teachable provides you a platform. So need thorough and organized course information. So guys, these are the 10 top ways how you can earn money without any investments. I hope you enjoy my video and you earn. That is so informative video. You can earn your spare times. So please, I am waiting for your suggestion, your comments. So don't forget to subscribe my channels and please give suggestions on comments, and take care. Bye.